NutriMeals AI is a groundbreaking software that's just been released, and in this review, I'm going to show you the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it before you dive in. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how NutriMeals AI can change the way you manage your meals and nutrition, and how it compares to other AI-powered tools on the market. And if you're already curious to give it a try, you can get started for free with the link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. Now, let's jump into the details. First, NutriMeals AI is designed to take the guesswork out of meal planning. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or just eat healthier, NutriMeals tailors meal plans based on your specific dietary needs and goals. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze your preferences, restrictions, and nutritional requirements to generate meal suggestions that not only fit your lifestyle, but are also easy to prepare. What makes NutriMeals AI unique is its focus on personalization. While many meal planning apps simply offer generic recipes, this software creates a truly customized experience. It factors in everything from your food allergies to your taste preferences, making sure that the meal plans are not only healthy, but also enjoyable to eat. If you've ever struggled with finding meals that work for your unique dietary needs, NutriMeals AI could be the solution you've been searching for. Another key feature is its seamless integration with grocery delivery services. After generating your meal plan, NutriMeals AI gives you the option to directly order ingredients from trusted grocery stores, saving you time and hassle. No more last-minute trips to the store or struggling to find the right ingredients. This integration adds a lot of convenience, especially for those with busy schedules. Now, what about the AI aspect? NutriMeals uses advanced algorithms that continuously learn from your feedback and meal choices. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes at predicting what meals you'll love. This isn't just a static system, it's a dynamic AI that gets better and more accurate with time, which is a huge selling point for anyone looking for a long-term solution. If you're someone who needs precise nutrition tracking, NutriMeals AI has you covered. The software tracks your calories, macros, and even micronutrients. It's like having a nutritionist in your pocket, but without the hefty price tag. And if you're someone who's trying to hit a specific fitness goal, like getting in shape for summer or building muscle, the AI will adjust your meal plans to ensure you stay on track with your nutrition goals. One area where NutriMeals really stands out is its ease of use. Many AI tools can feel overwhelming or difficult to navigate, but NutriMeals is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, and even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find yourself quickly adapting to the software. This makes it ideal for anyone who just wants a simple and efficient way to manage their meals without all the extra complexity. And here's a game changer. NutriMeals AI can also generate recipes based on your leftover ingredients. That's right. If you've got a fridge full of random ingredients you're not sure what to do with, you can input them into the system and it will come up with meal ideas that use up what you already have. This is an awesome feature for reducing food waste and saving money. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. While NutriMeals AI offers a completely free trial, it's important to note that their premium features come with a subscription fee. But considering the customization, convenience, and AI-driven features you're getting, it's pretty reasonable. You'll also have the option to cancel anytime, so you're never locked into anything long-term if it doesn't meet your needs. In conclusion, NutriMeals AI offers a truly innovative and convenient way to plan your meals and manage your nutrition, all powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. If you're looking for a software that can help you eat healthier, stay on top of your nutrition goals, and save time, NutriMeals is definitely worth checking out. You can try it for free using the link in the description below. And don't forget, I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I've included my top recommendations in the description as well. Go ahead and check them out.